Buying a home. It's the ultimate adulting achievement. We've all been there, scrolling through endless listings, picturing our future selves in that charming house or sleek apartment. But hold your horses before you get swept away in a whirlwind of open houses and Pinterest boards. Let's talk about how to navigate this crazy circus without losing our shirts. Most people approach home buying with a mix of excitement and trepidation. They envision their dream home, complete with granite countertops and a walk-in closet. But often they overlook the crucial financial planning needed to score a great deal. It's like heading into a negotiation blindfolded. You might get lucky, but chances are you'll end up paying more than you have to. We're talking about strategies that can save you thousands and help you land the house of your dreams without breaking the bank. So, are you ready to learn the art of the deal? Let's dive in. We've all been there. You walk into a house and bam, it's got that new home smell, the perfect layout, maybe even a clawfoot tub you could soak in for days. You're smitten. But here's the thing, love, especially when it comes to real estate, can be blinding. Falling head over heels for a property before crunching the numbers is a recipe for disaster. Before you start picking out paint swatches, take a deep breath and channel your inner accountant. Determine your budget and stick to it like glue. Consider your income, expenses, and how much you can comfortably afford each month. Don't forget those pesky hidden costs like property taxes, insurance, and potential maintenance. Keep your head in the game and don't let your heartstrings write a check your bank account can't cash. Okay? So you've found a place that ticks all the boxes on paper and doesn't make your budget scream in agony. But hold your horses. Before you break out the champagne and moving boxes, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get down to business. I'm talking about the often overlooked but also crucial home inspection. Think of it as a medical checkup for your potential dream home. A qualified home inspector is your best friend in this process. They'll examine every nook and cranny, from the foundation to the roof, looking for any hidden issues that could turn into costly headaches down the road. Remember, a thorough home inspection isn't just about uncovering potential deal breakers. It's about arming yourself with information. This knowledge gives you leverage during negotiations and ensures you're making an informed investment, not a risky gamble. Here's a little secret they don't always teach you. In Home Buying 101, everything is negotiable. That's right, folks. The sticker price you see on that charming Victorian isn't set in stone. Think of it as a starting point, an opening bid in the game of real estate. Now's your chance to channel your inner negotiator and haggle your way to a sweeter deal. Don't be afraid to make an offer below the asking price, especially in a buyer's market. Back it up with solid reasoning, like comparable properties in the area or any necessary repairs highlighted in the home inspection. Do your research, compare prices, and understand the market value of similar homes in the neighborhood. This information will give you the confidence to negotiate from a position of strength and potentially save you thousands of dollars in the process. Alright, future homeowners, let's talk long-term vision. When budgeting for your dream home, It's easy to get fixated on that monthly mortgage payment, but here's the thing. The true cost of home ownership extends far beyond that magical number. Think property taxes, homeowners insurance, and those pesky maintenance costs that inevitably pop up. Before you sign on the dotted line, factor in these potential expenses. Estimate the cost of utilities, landscaping, and any renovations you might want to make down the road. Remember, owning a home is an investment, and like any good investor, you need to consider the long-term return. It's all about finding that sweet spot between affordability and your dream home vision. Now, for the insider tip you've all been waiting for, the pre-approval power play. This, my friends, is the secret weapon in your home buying arsenal. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is like walking into a negotiation with a stack of cash and a confident grin. It shows, sell as you're serious, qualified, and ready to seal the deal. A mortgage lender will review your credit history, income, and assets to determine how much you can borrow. This pre-approval letter is your golden ticket, proving to sellers that you're not just window shopping. You're a serious buyer with the financial backing to make good on your offer. Pre-approval also gives you a clear understanding of your budget. You'll know exactly how much you can afford, eliminating the risk of falling in love with a property that's outside your price range. Confidence is key. Imagine this. You've found your dream home and you're ready to make an offer. But here's the catch. You're competing against other buyers, some of whom might be waving cash offers in the air. With a pre-approval letter in hand, you're no longer just another face in the crowd. You're a serious contender, demonstrating to the seller that you're financially capable of closing the deal quickly and efficiently. This can be a major advantage, especially in a competitive market. Knowing your financial standing empowers you to negotiate from a position of strength. You'll have the peace of mind to walk away if the deal isn't right, knowing you've put your best foot forward. A negotiation win. Let me tell you about a young couple I worked with on income property. They fell head over heels for a charming fixer-upper, but their budget was tight. They followed the pre-approval power play, securing a mortgage that aligned with their financial goals. When it came time to negotiate, they were armed with their pre-approval letter and a well-researched offer slightly below the asking price. The sellers, initially hesitant, were impressed by the couple's preparedness and financial readiness. The pre-approval letter gave them the confidence to accept the offer, and the couple landed their dream home at a price they could afford. This story illustrates the power of pre-approval. Home buying hacks. So there you have it, folks. Insider secrets to help you navigate the wild world of home buying. Remember, knowledge is power and preparation is key. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you used any of these tactics in your own home buying journey? Share your stories, tips, and triumphs in the comments below. Let's create a community of savvy home buyers, empowering each other to score amazing deals and achieve those home ownership dreams. Arm yourself with the right information, follow these insider tips, and watch as you navigate the process with confidence and finesse. Stay tuned for more. Congratulations on taking the first step towards owning your dream home. Stay tuned for more insider tips, expert advice, and inspiring stories right here. Subscribe to my channel and join me on this exciting journey to financial freedom and home ownership success. Together, we'll tackle everything from renovation budgets to maximizing your property's potential. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself and your future. Let's get started.